Welcome to my channel, Inspiring Prayer Fortress. Today, we will be uncovering 15 secrets to a united and thriving family life. From powerful communication strategies to fun family rituals, we've got everything you need to create a home filled with peace and joy. Family is the foundation of love, support, and growth. Yet, in today's fast-paced world, maintaining harmony and unity within the family can be a challenge. In this video, we explore practical and transformative ways to foster unity in your family, creating an environment where every member feels valued, loved, and heard. Whether you're navigating conflicts, striving to improve communication, or simply looking for meaningful ways to connect, these 15 tips will inspire and empower you to build stronger family bonds. Let us dive into it. Number 1. Communication is a vital key to building and strengthening family ties. Open communication is the bedrock of unity in any family. Without understanding one another's thoughts, feelings, and perspectives, families often drift apart. Communication isn't just about speaking. It's about listening actively, empathetically, and without judgment. For example, a family that schedules weekly family meetings creates an opportunity for every member to voice their opinions, share challenges, and discuss exciting news. Consider the story of the family, where there was constant struggle with misunderstandings. By introducing a talk time every Sunday evening, they found a safe space to discuss issues and celebrate achievements. This practice brought them closer, reducing conflicts and strengthening their bond. In today's fast-paced world, technology often takes precedence over meaningful conversations. Setting aside no-phone times at meals or during family activities can reignite genuine interactions. When every family member feels heard, it nurtures a sense of belonging and unity, essential for fostering strong familial bonds. Number 2. Faith and values are useful tools. Having shared values or faith can be a powerful unifying force. Whether it's through shared spiritual practices or setting collective family goals, aligning on principles creates a deeper connection. Practices like prayer, meditation, or volunteering together can instill a sense of purpose and togetherness. For instance, the Smiths made it a tradition to volunteer at a local shelter every holiday season. This act of giving back became a cornerstone of their family values, teaching the children empathy while bringing everyone closer. It wasn't just an activity. It was a shared mission that unified them. Shared values act as a compass during challenging times, guiding families toward unity and understanding. Establishing these principles early and revisiting them often ensures that families remain bonded through a shared purpose. Number 3. Supporting each other's dreams. Encouraging and supporting each other's aspirations fosters trust and unity. When families rally behind a member's dream, it strengthens the sense of teamwork and mutual respect. Take the story of the Johnson family. When their eldest son, Mark, decided to pursue a career in music, they supported him wholeheartedly, attending his performances and encouraging his efforts. Their collective encouragement not only motivated Mark but also reinforced the family's bond. Supporting dreams requires listening, understanding, and occasionally making sacrifices. Such acts of selflessness cultivate a spirit of unity, reminding family members that they are each other's greatest cheerleaders. By focusing on these principles, families can build strong, lasting bonds that withstand the challenges of time. Unity doesn't happen by chance, it's nurtured through love, patience, and shared purpose. Number 4. Teaching and living by example. Parents and elder family members play a crucial role in fostering unity by modeling the values they wish to see in the family. Actions speak louder than words, and consistent behavior creates a lasting impact. Consider the John family, where the parents emphasized kindness, patience, and teamwork through their actions. Their children naturally adopted these traits, creating a harmonious environment at home. By leading through example, the John's parents instilled lifelong values in their family. Families thrive when values like respect, honesty, and love are demonstrated daily. Living by example encourages unity, as younger members emulate positive behavior and contribute to a culture of togetherness. Fostering family unity is an ongoing journey requiring effort, patience, and love. By implementing these practices, families can build stronger, happier relationships that stand the test of time. Together, they can create a legacy of love, support, and unbreakable unity. Number 5. Maintaining healthy boundaries. Healthy boundaries are essential for family harmony. While unity thrives on closeness, respecting each member's individuality and personal space ensures relationships remain strong and healthy. For example, the Wilson family learned to honor each other's need for alone time. When one member wanted quiet time to read or reflect, the rest of the family respected it without intrusion. This practice nurtured individual growth while maintaining family cohesion. Boundaries create a balance between togetherness and independence. They ensure that family members feel valued both as individuals and as part of the collective. By fostering mutual respect, boundaries help maintain lasting unity. Number 6. Spiritual practices as a family. For families with spiritual beliefs, engaging in shared practices like prayer, meditation, or attending religious services can bring a profound sense of unity. Spirituality provides a common foundation and reinforces shared values. There was a family that enjoyed praying together every evening, reflecting on their day and seeking guidance. This simple ritual created a sense of peace and connectedness, helping them navigate challenges with faith and resilience. Spiritual practices remind families of their shared purpose and higher calling. Whether through communal worship or quiet reflection, these moments build a strong sense of unity anchored in faith and shared beliefs. Number 7. Supporting each other's dreams and aspirations. One of the most meaningful ways to foster unity in a family is by supporting each other's dreams. When family members feel encouraged and uplifted in their pursuits, it builds trust and strengthens relationships. By rallying around one another's goals, families demonstrate that they are each other's biggest champions. This shared investment in success creates a culture of mutual respect and love, solidifying bonds and fostering a sense of togetherness. Number 8. Handling challenges as a team. Every family faces difficulties, whether financial, emotional, or health-related. Approaching these challenges as a team strengthens the unity and resilience of the family. A story was told of a family faced with a sudden job loss. They came together to budget, share resources, and find creative ways to make ends meet. Their collective effort turned a difficult time into an opportunity for growth and bonding. Challenges, when approached collectively, teach families the value of unity and teamwork. By facing adversity together, families emerge stronger, proving that shared struggles can deepen connections and bring out the best in each member. Just a quick request. I will like you to take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to this video. It will encourage me to create more content that will uplift your spirit and inspire your journey. Thank you for doing this. Now, let us return to the video. Number 9. Expressing gratitude regularly. Gratitude is a cornerstone of strong relationships. Families that actively express appreciation for one another cultivate a positive and supportive environment. When gratitude becomes a habit, it shifts focus from challenges to blessings. It reminds families of the love and care they share, fostering an atmosphere of warmth and unity. Regular expressions of gratitude strengthen bonds and encourage a positive outlook. Number 10. Prioritizing quality time together. In today's busy world, carving out time for family is essential. Quality time strengthens bonds and creates opportunities for meaningful interactions. There was a family that always set aside one evening a week as family night. They played games, cooked meals together, or simply talked about their lives. These moments became a treasured part of their routine. Making time for one another shows that family is a priority. It reinforces the idea that no matter how busy life gets, the bonds within the family are worth nurturing. Quality time fosters a deep sense of unity and belonging. Number 11. Teaching the power of teamwork. Families that work together towards a common goal understand the power of collaboration. Whether it's cleaning the house, planning a vacation, or starting a family project, teamwork builds trust and connection. Teamwork teaches families that they can achieve more together than individually. It reinforces the value of collective effort, creating a strong foundation of unity and shared purpose. Number 12. Demonstrating unconditional love and support. Unconditional love is the foundation of family unity. When family members feel secure in the knowledge that they are loved no matter what, it fosters a deep and lasting bond. A particularly known family always emphasizes unconditional support by always standing by one another through triumphs and failures. When one member faced a setback, the rest of the family rallied around them, offering encouragement and practical help. Unconditional love builds trust and emotional security within the family. It reminds each member that their value doesn't depend on their achievements or mistakes, creating an environment where everyone feels cherished and accepted. Number 13. Practicing forgiveness as a family. Forgiveness is essential to maintaining unity in a family. Holding on to grudges can lead to division, while forgiveness fosters healing and reconciliation. Practicing forgiveness teaches families to prioritize their relationships over conflicts. It's a powerful way to rebuild trust and demonstrate love, ensuring that challenges don't permanently damage family unity. Number 14. Creating a culture of respect. Respect is a cornerstone of strong family relationships. When families prioritize respect for one another's feelings, opinions, and boundaries, they foster a healthy and unified dynamic. The Park family made it a point to listen without interrupting during conversations, valuing each person's input regardless of age. This approach created an atmosphere of mutual respect and understanding. Respect within a family builds trust and prevents conflicts from escalating. By modeling respect in everyday interactions, families create a culture where everyone feels valued and appreciated. Number 15. Balancing work and family life. Maintaining a healthy balance between work and family life is essential for unity. Prioritizing family time amidst professional responsibilities demonstrates commitment to relationships. A particular family is known for establishing a rule to disconnect from work during dinner, focusing solely on each other. This small habit created space for meaningful conversations and strengthened their bond. Balancing work and family life requires intentionality and effort, but the rewards are immense. It ensures that families remain connected and united, even in the midst of busy schedules. Your family deserves a bond that stands the test of time. By applying these 15 principles, you can transform your home into a haven of unity and understanding. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Your thoughts and experiences could inspire others. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on strengthening family relationships. Together, let's build a world where every family thrives. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.